tables library database info is in UNF because it contains repeating groups and multiple values in single columns, and the data is not yet structured into separate related tables. So, why this table is UNF? First, multiple values, one in one field repeating groups. Example, books borrowed contains more than one book's title in the single cells. Second is authors contains multiple authors' names in one column. Third one is loan details. Combine multiple piece of data in one field. So the second is mix data in single table. The table stores different entities together such as patron information, book information, loan information, fines and notes. All of this should be in separate tables, but in UNF they are combined. So the third one is no unique primary key. This means no proper primary key recording cannot be uniquely identified. Editing and deleting rows is difficult. This table is in UNF because it contains repeating groups, multiple values in single fields, and mixed data from different entities without proper normalization or primary key.
So, good day everyone. I am Antipuesto Frederick. I'm going to explain the 1NF of Library Database Management System. So, the table structure page of transactions in the 1NF Library Database Management System access via PHP-MyAdmin, a popular tool for managing MySQL databases. There are six columns defined: ID, integer type, primary, key, auto increments, unique identifier for each transaction, user ID, book ID, integer types, link to user and book records in the data in other tables, issue date, date type when the book was borrowed, return date, date type can be null, meaning not yet returned, status, enum type with options borrowed, or return tracks transaction state, options, buttons like change, drop, and add. Let us modify columns or a new ones. The indexes section confirms ID is the primary key. So this is the view of PHP-MyAdmin, a tool to manage my SQL databases. The Open Database is library management system which has three tables: books, transactions, and users. You can perform actions like viewing data, browse, editing tables design, structure, adding entries, insert, or deleting tables, drop for each one. There's also an area at the bottom to make a new table by typing a name and setting how many columns it will have, currently set to 4. That's all and thank you.
So this database is organized using second normal form or 2NF. Ang purpose ani kay para dili balik-balik ang data og mas limpyo ang system. There are three tables which is the book 2NF, loan 2NF, and patron 2NF. And each one has its own job. So explain ako kung para sa ni na table o kung sa use nila. Ang book 2NF table kay para sa information sa libro. Ang book 2NF table kay para sa information sa libro. Ang book ID mo ang unique ID sa each book. Ang title, ISBN, publisher, og author details kay para ra gyud siya sa libro. Mao nga sakto siya for 2NF. Ang patron to in F table kay para sa mga tawo nga nanghulam og libro sa library. Kada patron tagaan og patron ID nga unique number. Kung manghulam ang patron og libro, patron ID ra ang gamiton sa loan table para mahibal-an kinsa ang nanghulam. Sa ingon ani, dili na magbalik-balik ang pangalan sa patron sa lain-laing table og mas limpyo ang database. Ang loan to NF table mao ang nag-track kung kinsa ang nanghulam og libro o kanus-a. Ang loan ID mao ang unique ID sa transaction. Naapoy dates kung kanus-a gihulman, kanus-a ang due, kung nauli na ba or wala. If wala pa nauli, null ra ang date return. So, overall, this setup is clean, organized, ug easy to maintain. Walay duplicate data, klaro ang rule sa each table, and mao ni usually gamiton sa real-world library system.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Kenji Roswell Pernicita, and this is the third normal form for library management system. So, the third normal form, or 3NF, is the standard for professional databases because it ensures every piece of data lives in exactly one place. The core rule of 3NF is to remove transitive dependencies. This means we separate data that doesn't belong directly to the table's main subject. For example, put, putting our author's names inside our book table. We move them to a dedicated author table. We then use a book author junction table to link them. This allows us to handle many-to-many relationships like a book with three authors without ever repeating a single name or biography. We also separate books while the book instance tracks the physical copy, its shelf location, and its current status. And finally, the loan table. The loan table acts as the connector by using foreign keys to point to the patron ID and instance ID. The loan table only records the transaction details like dates and fines rather than duplicating personal or book data. The importance of 3NF comes down to data integrity. By eliminating redundancy, we prevent update anomalies. For instance, if a patron changes their email, you only update it once in the patron table and